Welcome to another update from Force 13 for Tuesday the 30th of April 2019, and what is likely to be the end of the official 2018-19 tropical cyclone season. Bureau Meteorology WA tropical cyclone outlook for the western region updated 1400 hours Monday. Tropical cyclone Lorna was located near 20 decimal degrees south, 90 degrees east at 8 a.m. Monday, about 1100 kilometres southwest of the Cocos Keeling Islands. It has recently been moving to the south-southwest and remains outside of the western region and is likely to weaken below tropical cyclone intensity sometime today before it moves southeasterly and into the western region. For today, the Bureau has percentages for development low, then decreasing Wednesday, Thursday to very low. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre has also finalised their position on the system, and their last advisory have it at 21.7 degrees south, 88.8 degrees east. Maximum sustained winds 35 knots, gusting 45 knots. Tropical cyclone 25S Lorna, located 738 nautical miles southwest of Cocos Islands, tracking south-southwest at 8 knots. This is over the last 6 hours. There is high confidence in the initial position using animated enhanced infrared satellite imagery, which reveals a fully exposed low-level circulation centre with no deep convection within 200 nautical miles of the centre. The initial intensity of 35 knots is consistent with the PGTW VOAC estimates at T2.5, 35 knots. There is likely stronger winds on the south of the circulation, enhanced by the large scale environmental pressure gradient. The environment is very hostile with extreme high 50 to 60 knot vertical wind shear, good poleward outflow, and sea surface temperatures around 24 to 25 Celsius. The cyclone is tracking along the western periphery of a subtropical ridge and will track poleward, anticipate by, or let's say within 12 hours, under continued hostile environment conditions. Based on the short duration of the forecast and high agreement among the dynamic models, there is high confidence in the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre's track forecast. And as mentioned, the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre has now finalised their system, their position. However, they will continue to monitor for signs of regeneration. And on the screen is the life of the tropical cyclone Lorna. And here's the centre's final track chart on the cyclone. EPS track guidance. Late cycle intensity guidance. And Lorna is 22.5 degrees south, 89.1 degrees east, winds 30 knots, minimum central pressure 1002 millibars, tropical cyclone formation probability guide. Now we have a look at the NOAA floaters on the what is now the former cyclone Lorna. Still a bit of rotation. And now we have a look at what's making the local weather scene. BI Meteorology has a strong wind warning for the southwest coast, central west coast, Tasmania. They've cancelled the one for the upper east. Now we have a look at the GFS wind probability model from 1 AM through to correction 1300 hours today through to the same period tomorrow. And here's the precipitation. Information's at the bottom of the screen. BI Meteorology New South Wales has a strong wind warning for the Sydney, Illawarra, Batemans and Eden coast. Now we have a look at the instability. Victoria's got a strong wind warning for the Port Phillip Bay, the West Coast, East Gippsland coast, and a similar one for tomorrow. And for South Australia, strong wind warning the far west central coast, Spencer Gulf, Gulf St Vincent's, Investigator Strait, and an expanded one for tomorrow. Now the Bureau's 12-hourly, 24-hour rainfall, and I cited a news report this morning for people, I think, in the Adelaide region to be prepared for thunderstorm activity this afternoon and possibly flash flooding. The rainfall scale is on the right hand side of the screen. And finally, in this update, the GFS precipitation model extracted from the Pivotal Weather website. We have one developing a tropical system, tropical cyclone Fani or CO1b, likely to impact the southern region of India in a few days' time, and that is on the main Force 13 YouTube channel.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.